85% of rich people read 2 or more books per month. This is according to Tom Corley, author of Rich Habits, The Daily Success Habits of Wealthy Individuals. In fact, Warren Buffett, the legendary investor, he claims that his key to success was reading 500 pages a day. Whoa, that seems a little bit overwhelming for all of us and not quite practical with the busy lives that we have. So let's focus on a little bit less reading, but still enough where we feel like we've gained enough knowledge. Goal number 1, read 1 chapter of a finance book per week. Create a list of finance books that you may be interested in and read 15 to 30 minutes per day when you're in bed at night to absorb all of the information. These are my top 10 favorite finance books of all time that I would highly recommend. Richer, Wiser, Happier, The Richest Man in Babylon, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, One Up on Wall Street, The Psychology of Money, Little Book of Common Sense Investing, The Simple Path to Wealth, The Millionaire Fast Lane, Die with Zero, Thinking Fast and Slow. Just choose one book to start off with. I would start off with I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. He goes over all of the finances you need to learn and really does a great foundation showing your present and future self what you need to do for your finances. And he also helps you not feel guilty about spending. Goal number 2, save $500 for a certification by the end of the year. Now, this one comes with a bit of a caveat. We're not going to whisk away $500 into the abyss with no plan of it. You need to research on what can get you the best return on your money for the certification and the career path that you've planned. We need to think in terms of value. What are the skills that I need to learn more about with the career path I have chosen? What skills will give me the best value for the future? What skills can I make the most money with? With these questions in mind, we can research what certifications we need in order to give ourselves a raise with little capital. For example, for me personally, I would like to get my CFA or CPA. Ideally, I would love to get both. Unfortunately, they cost $2,400 to $6,000 and I need to save for them. So if I save $1,000 per year, I will be very close to my goal by the time I graduate. Do not take out a loan for this. Certification should only be implemented when you have the cash to pay for them. We are not getting in any more debt. Say it loud, say it proud. Goal number 3, read 1 article on financial education per day for the year. Yes, you can double up if you miss a day. Reading an article about finance instead of reading a whole book may help you if you are on a time crunch. As an added bonus, you can take notes and then take small steps and actions forward from each article. I've read countless of articles and these are my favorite publications. I will link them down in the description below. For reference, look into Warren Buffett letters. He shows you all the letters he sends to shareholders, so much information and what he has learned. Memos from Howard Marks, Dave Ramsey newsletter, Seeking Alpha, Motley Fool, and finally, NerdWallet. Goal number 4, listen to a podcast each week. This is one of the best goals for those who are stuck in traffic and have nothing to do or are on the subway and just don't want to hear all of the screens. And you also learn best when people are speaking to you and you like to multitask. My go-to podcasts for finance are Gold Digger, The Ramsey Show, Bigger Pockets, The Money Guy Show, A Diary of a CEO, Lewis Howes, and Impact Theory. With these podcasts, you will be on your way to financial freedom.